That's right, I'm about to do a hacky watch list video. So in this one, we're gonna go over stocks I am watching in the month of September. And I'm also gonna tell you why watch lists are a stupid YouTube gimmick. But not before the intro, because I'm gonna get my watch time, baby. Woo! Why watch list? Do you need a watch list? Do you not know which stocks are interesting? Why are so many watch lists on YouTube already? Are you really more likely to watch a video with the rocket emoji in the title? Would this even be a cat's meow video if it wasn't meta? The thing is, I'm a day trader, not a YouTuber. I spend 90% of my time mainlining Benzinga's newsfeed. If it moves and it has news, I throw money at it. The rest of what I do is pretty much just gaming earnings and PDUFA dates. None of which do you need me or some other scumbag YouTuber pretending to be a day trader in order to find. 90% of these videos are just low effort content for creators trying to pretend to be traders. Think about it. Pick 5 stocks at random and see if at one point this month any of those stocks spike. Great, now you can pretend like you have some idea why it happened in the recap video. Rinse and repeat, and before you know it, you'll be a trading guru. All that being said, here's my watch list. Micron Technologies, Costco, Herman Miller, Kroger, and Work. All of which have earnings this month and tend to be pretty solid companies. Being a slave to the Kelly criterion, I can't dedicate more than 25% of my account balance to one of my big swing or earnings plays. So when I have unused buying power, I park it and put credit spreads on these companies. Well, I hope you enjoyed that stream of consciousness. If you need a good broker, source of stock market news, or options flow, check the referral links down below. Also, if you're new here, make sure to hop in the OU community Discord. There is also a link to that down below. Oh yeah, and don't forget to visit my non-existent site and buy my non-existent course. Thanks for watching, guys. Make some money.